In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Temu shopping app from Google Play Store. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering any challenge installing Temu app, then the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail. However, if you can't still install it while logged in, then tap on your email profile here icon, and then this will take you to this page. Look for settings. Under settings, look for this option called network preferences, and under it go to app download preference. Here you'll see we have quite a number of options. Go ahead and choose the first option over any network. This will ensure that you are able to install this app over any network that you are connected on. Then proceed and tap on OK and try installing your Temu app, and this will now work. However, even after doing this, if you're still unable to install Temu app, then proceed and go to Play Store. The problem might be with your Play Store app. For this, you need to access the Play Store app info page. To do this, just long press on your Play Store app and you should see app info. If you can't see app info, you should see the name of the app or a settings gear. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll be redirected to Google Play Store app info. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Google Play Store. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your Google Play Store to malfunction, thus making you unable to install apps. To fix this, tap on clear data down below and then choose this second option, clear cache, and finally OK. At this point, restart your smartphone and head over to Play Store, then search for Temu app. And here, if I search for Temu app, now you can see we have our Temu app here. Go ahead and now install it. As you can see, now I'm able to install the app and the problem has now been fixed. So that's how you can fix can't install Temu shopping app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.